Today, we are diving into a popular choice from Taco Bell. It is the Power Menu Bowl with chicken. This dish has gained attention for being a good option for those managing diabetes. The key to making this meal even better is ordering it Fresco-Style. So, what does Fresco-Style mean? By ordering Fresco-Style, Taco Bell replaces cheese and creamy sauces with fresh diced tomatoes. This simple change helps reduce carbs and calories in your meal. This is important for anyone looking to keep their blood sugar levels in check. Now, let us talk about what is included in the Power Menu Bowl. It starts with a base of seasoned rice. This is where the dish gets a lot of its flavor. The bowl also includes black beans. Black beans are a great source of protein and fiber. They can help keep you full and satisfied. Next up is the grilled chicken. The grilled chicken adds lean protein to the meal. This is especially important for those with diabetes since protein can help stabilize blood sugar levels. The chicken is seasoned well, making each bite tasty and enjoyable. Now, let us not forget about the vegetables. The bowl is packed with fresh romaine lettuce. The lettuce adds crunch and freshness to the meal. It is low in calories and provides some essential vitamins. You will also find guacamole. Guacamole is made from avocados, which are loaded with healthy fats. Healthy fats can be beneficial for heart health and overall wellness. Ordering the Power Menu Bowl Fresco-Style means you will skip the sour cream and cheese. This helps lower the carbohydrate content. Lower carbs can mean better blood sugar control. It is always a good idea to be mindful of carbohydrate intake, especially for those managing diabetes. But how does this bowl fit into your daily meal plan? The Power Menu Bowl with Chicken Fresco-Style is a balanced meal. It provides protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These components work together to keep you full longer. This can be helpful in avoiding unhealthy snacking later in the day. When it comes to portion sizes, the Power Menu Bowl is a good choice. It offers a satisfying amount of food without being overwhelming. This makes it easier to control your calorie intake. For those who are watching their sodium intake, it is worth noting that fast food can sometimes be high in salt. The Power Menu Bowl is no exception. It is a good idea to check the nutritional information online or in the restaurant. This way, you can make the best choice for your health needs. It is also important to listen to your body. If you find that a certain meal affects your blood sugar levels, make adjustments as needed. Everyone's body reacts differently to foods. What works for one person may not work for another. As with any meal, balance is key. The Power Menu Bowl with Chicken Fresco-Style can be part of a healthy diet. Combine it with plenty of vegetables during the day. Make sure to stay hydrated and maintain an active lifestyle. In conclusion, the Taco Bell Power Menu Bowl with Chicken Fresco-Style is a smart option for those managing diabetes. It offers a delicious combination of flavors while keeping carbs in check. With grilled chicken, black beans, and fresh vegetables, you can enjoy a satisfying meal without the added guilt. Next time you are at Taco Bell, consider trying the Power Menu Bowl Fresco-Style. It might just become your new go-to meal. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.